word he used was Clark. That'll change your shape like Sam.
I don't know why white folks think they're so superior anyway. White people the last 20 years have gone crazy. They lost their damn mind. And I know it's weird to see white guys saying this, but it's true, okay? You can't give somebody a free pass because they share the same amount of pigment, okay? All right? If they're dumb, all right? White people are the only people in this nation that call themselves Jesus. They're the only ones who ever say they're Jesus, okay? And over the last 20 years, there's been like 4 or 5 people that have said they're Jesus, and they got a bunch of other white people to go, all right. How does that happen? David Koresh in Waco, okay, said he was Jesus. Yeah, said he was Jesus, right? Other white people, I'm sure, okay? He wore glasses. If you look in the book, I read the book, okay? You read the book, Jesus can cure the blind. I think he can handle stigmatism. That's all I'm saying. Right? The old bald dude who looked like the guy from Powder in San Diego, who was the co-leader, remember that guy? Who convinced a bunch of white people to commit suicide to go to a spaceship that was being hit by a comet to go to heaven? Oh, that's retarded. White people are like, okay, sure, I'm with it. Right here in West Texas, okay, the out there with the freak Mormons, okay, like the crazy Mormons, okay, like the same Mormons. I know, and there's Mormons in here. You ain't supposed to be here, right? So take your little bicycle and head on out, son. Ring, 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 ring. Or pray real hard tomorrow. Lord, please forgive me for laughing and having a good time. He didn't say he was Jesus, he just said he was a prophet, okay? And all these goofy white people that say they're Jesus or a prophet of God, okay? They all just really want to bang teenage girls. Now see, banging a teenage girl is like a CD player in a Ford Focus. It sounds good, but it's not. I'll be honest with you, I didn't want to bang a 14-year-old girl when I was 14. Ow, that hurts. I don't do that. Okay, just a little bit, just the tip. Ow. My mom's coming home. Oh my God. I haven't put it in yet, okay? Seriously. You know what? I'm just gonna go drop a batch. It's a lot easier to deal with than this, okay? And play Nintendo. Bro, Mexicans, y'all never say you're Jesus, do you, Mexicans? I mean, you'll name your kid Jesus. All right, Mexicans, y'all do one Mexican thing. Y'all see the Virgin Mary in everything, don't you? It's like, hey, pass the tortilla. Oh my God, Virgin Mary's in the tortilla! Black folks, y'all never say you're Jesus because black people don't put up with crazy, okay? They recognize crazy and spot it and get away from it, okay? Like if a dude walked up to a bunch of black guys standing on the corner and he's like, yo, son, I'm Jesus. Y'all need to worship me. Look, crackhead, you need to step out. Just because you got a big rock don't mean you can come around us. Get away from me, stinky. No, son, I'm Jesus. You can call me JC. Player JC. Crackhead, step off. No, son, let me heal you. Let me put my hands on you. Mother, bam! If he Jesus, he'll be back in 3 days.
Hey, this is Jeff Foxworthy,
Larry the Cable Guy.
and you, my friend, are listening to Jeff and Larry's Comedy Roundup.
This is what America's about.
You know, let me tell you guys something. I feel bad for today's American child because they will never experience the fun and joy and adrenaline and liberty you and I had going someplace on a Sunday drive. You know, with our parents and grandparents, they don't have that because we've lawyered up. We've litigated fun out of American society, right? And I don't have kids yet, but I got a couple of nieces and nephews, and by the way, my new nephew's name is Lake. Yeah. Yes, that's where they met. Thank God you didn't hook up at the Dairy Queen. That'd have been bad. That's a trend. Parents do that now. I see that. You know, here's their daughter Applebee's right there. Oh, that little surprise, he's a Waffle House dumpster. We didn't know what the hell.
Mitt Romney said after many months of thinking about why he lost the election, and you can Google this, he said he realized that it was mainly because he didn't tweet enough. Really? That's what you're going to tell yourself where you go to sleep at night? You're just one tweet away from winning. It's amazing how people can fool themselves. I didn't vote for Mitt Romney. It had nothing to do with politics. I didn't vote for Mitt Romney. I will never vote for Mitt Romney because he said, and I know he's telling the truth, because they would have proved differently. The press would have, and he's a devout Mormon, so I completely believe him, that at age 65, in his life, he had never had a drink, a drug, a cigarette, or a cigar. Ever. As an Irish Catholic, that sentence couldn't even go in my head. Invalid information, rephrase question, check age. What's that to my brother? Think about it, Pat. The only people that we know that can truly say that are babies. And that's just because they don't know yet. Yes, they like juice, but they haven't had a Bud Light. They don't know. And I judged him for that. And that's not fair to that man, but I did. I judged him. Because to me, a glass of wine, or a cigarette, or maybe a Lunesta, one of my favorites. If you've never taken a Lunesta, but you've seen the commercial, I'm here to let you in on a little secret. That neon butterfly is real. Green, pink, they're beautiful. But those are the ways a normal adult relieves stress to me. Well, a cigar, maybe some pot, whatever it is you do. And if you don't do any of them, my mind goes to alarm state where I go, alien, I think you're sleeping with a goat. That's how weird it is to me. That's not fair to Mitt Romney.
I love women. I love around the room. This is beautiful, lovely ladies everywhere. And I love you all. What's not to love? I love tall women. I love short women. I love the tall women with the short legs. I love them all. They're funny looking, but they've been good to me, believe me. Why, so many men have categories when it comes to women, right? Like, do you have a type of lady that you love, sir?
Yeah.
You do? One sit next to you, smart damn man right there. Well played. Well, you'd be surprised how many guys go, oh, I like them tall and blonde and leggy and crap. That's not what I brought tonight. Smart men right there. But you know the classic types, right? You got ass men, breast men, leg men, and then you have me. I'm a breathing man. That's how much I love them. And before the record, don't get me wrong, I love the asses, and I love the breasts, and I love the legs, because without those legs, you got asses and breasts all over the ground. It's like 5-second rule and chaos everywhere. Some of you know the 5-second rule, don't you? You're damn right. Legally, after 6 seconds, that's badass on the ground. You can't touch that. Oh, you want to, but you can't. Look it up. It's the law. I know what I'm talking about. Yeah, I got a lot of experience when it comes to women flow. Trust me. I was 10 years old. First of all, in my hands, on the curves of a lady. 10 years old. Thank you, Mrs. Butterworth. She's chubby, she's sticky, but she was all mine. Yeah, sometimes after pancakes, I still like one up every now and then. So. I know what I'm doing, Flo. I know what I'm doing. And I know every guy thinks he's the man, every guy thinks he's the player, and every guy thinks he was the man back in the day. And were you the man back in the day?
Who, me?
I don't know about you guys, but I'm going to take that as a no way. Well, I tell you, it's not easy being a man today. You've done a good job. You were sincere. You got caught off guard. Everybody laughed at both of us simultaneously. It's not easy. Today's man, you got to have a lot of sides like that. You got to be hard on the. You got to be hard, but you got to be sensitive on the inside. Got to have the rugged, manly exterior, but you have to have the soft, creamy feeling. You got to be a stale Twinkie, apparently, is what you have to be. I've learned too. I learned sometimes you have to put a woman's needs first. Who knew? Well, I had an opportunity not too long ago, so I bought me some of them condoms. But this time, I bought them rigged for her pleasure. You know, but I started thinking, hey, what about me? I flipped the damn thing inside out.